Crash Course, a comprehensive guide to Colorado State, USA. Introduction. Welcome to our crash course on Colorado State, USA. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the geographical location, capital, population, history, politics, economy, education, culture, and top attractions of Colorado. Get ready to embark on a journey through the captivating landscapes, rich history, vibrant culture, and remarkable attractions of this diverse state. Let's dive in. Geographic location. Colorado, often referred to as the Centennial State, is located in the western United States. It is bordered by Wyoming to the north, Nebraska to the northeast, Kansas to the east, Oklahoma to the southeast, New Mexico to the south, Utah to the west, and Arizona to the southwest. The state is renowned for its stunning Rocky Mountains, which dominate the western half of the state. Capital and population. The capital and largest city of Colorado is Denver. It is a bustling metropolis situated in the eastern part of the state. As of 2021, the estimated population of Colorado is approximately 5.8 million people, making it the 21st most populous state in the U.S. The state's population is diverse, comprising various ethnic and cultural backgrounds. History. Colorado has a fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. Native American tribes, including the Ute, Cheyenne, Arapaho, and Comanche, inhabited the region long before European settlers arrived. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers ventured into the area, but it was not until the 19th century that Colorado witnessed significant European-American settlement, primarily driven by the discovery of gold during the Pikes Peak Gold Rush in 1858. The Colorado Territory was established in 1861, and Colorado became the 38th state of the United States on August 1, 1876. The state played a crucial role in the development of the American West, serving as a transportation hub during the expansion of the railroad system. It also experienced the boom and bust cycles associated with mining, leading to the rise and decline of many towns. Politics. Colorado's political landscape has evolved over time. While the state was traditionally conservative, it has become more politically diverse in recent years. The state has a two-party system, with both Democrats and Republicans holding significant influence. Notably, Colorado legalized recreational marijuana use in 2012, becoming one of the first states to do so. Economy. Colorado boasts a thriving and diverse economy. It is known for its strong sectors such as aerospace, technology, energy, tourism, agriculture, and outdoor recreation. The state is home to several major corporations and research institutions, contributing to its robust economy. The outdoor recreational opportunities, including skiing, hiking, and mountain biking, attract millions of visitors each year, bolstering the tourism industry. Education. Colorado places a strong emphasis on education. The state is home to numerous prestigious universities and colleges, including the University of Colorado, Colorado State University, and the Colorado School of Mines. These institutions offer a wide range of academic programs and contribute to cutting-edge research in various fields. Culture. Colorado's culture reflects the influences of its Native American heritage, Western roots, and diverse population. The state embraces a vibrant arts scene, with numerous galleries, museums, theaters, and music festivals. Colorado is also renowned for its outdoor recreational activities, which play a significant role in the state's identity. The residents, known as Coloradans, embrace an active lifestyle and have a deep appreciation for nature. Now, let's delve into the top 12 attractions that make Colorado a captivating destination. 1. Rocky Mountain National Park. Explore majestic peaks, alpine lakes, and diverse wildlife in this stunning national park. 2. Garden of the Gods. Witness the awe-inspiring rock formations and enjoy hiking, rock climbing, and photography in this natural wonder. 3. Mesa Verde National Park. Discover ancient cliff dwellings and learn about the rich history of the ancestral Puebloans. 4. Pikes Peak. Ascend this famous mountain either by driving, hiking, or taking a cog railway for breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. 5. Red Rocks Park and Amphitheater. Experience a unique concert venue nestled in the red sandstone formations, renowned for its incredible acoustics. 6. Royal Gorge Bridge. Walk across one of the world's highest suspension bridges and enjoy the scenic views of the Arkansas River. 7. Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve. Marvel at the towering sand dunes, go sandboarding, and stargaze in this unique natural setting. 8. Colorado Springs. Visit this vibrant city known for its picturesque landscapes, the U.S. Olympic Training Center, and the Air Force Academy. 9. Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad. Take a historic steam train ride through the breathtaking San Juan Mountains. 10. Telluride. Immerse yourself in the charm of this picturesque mountain town, known for its world-class skiing, film festival, and outdoor adventures. 11. Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Explore fascinating exhibits covering a wide range of topics, from dinosaurs to space exploration. 12. Colorado State Capitol. Discover the architectural beauty and history of the Capitol building in Denver, including its iconic gold dome. Summarization. Colorado State, USA, is a captivating destination that offers a wealth of natural wonders, rich history, diverse culture, and vibrant cities. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the ancient cliff dwellings of Mesa Verde, visitors can immerse themselves in breathtaking landscapes and delve into the stories of the past. With a thriving economy, renowned educational institutions, and a dynamic political scene, Colorado is a state that embraces progress while honoring its heritage. End your crash course on Colorado State, USA with this poem. In the heart of the West, where beauty is found, lies Colorado, a treasure that astounds. With mountains towering high, reaching the sky, and rivers that flow, crystal clear and spry. Denver, the capital, a bustling domain, where culture and history forever remain. From Native American roots to pioneers' dreams, Colorado's heritage, a tapestry that gleams. The gold rush ignited a spirit untamed. As settlers and prospectors their fortunes aimed, railroads and mines shaped the state's early years. With boom towns rising and vanishing, it appears politics have evolved in this diverse land, with ideologies clashing, taking a stand. A balance of power, a two-party sway. Colorado's voice echoing on election day. The economy flourishes, vibrant and strong. From tech to tourism, it moves along. Aerospace soars, while energy ignites. And outdoor adventures yield nature's delights. Education thrives, with knowledge as its goal. Universities shining, nurturing souls. Intellectual pursuits, research profound. Institutions of learning, where wisdom is found. Culture abounds, in galleries and shows. Music and art, the creative wind blows. Coloradans embrace an active way of life, with nature as muse, in harmony rife. Now, let's sing a song of Colorado's might, of peaks and valleys, bathed in golden light. From Denver's city streets to mountain heights, Colorado's spirit, forever takes flight. Compose a song based on the lyrics above. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?i. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.